Hello my dear students, I hope you all are well and fine. So in this video I am going to discuss the different types of the tides. So what is tide? Let's recall this. Tides means the rise of the water that is present in water body due to the attraction or gravitational attraction of moon and sun. We have learned this. And the waves, the sea waves that is originated due to the tides known as tidal waves. Now we have already discussed the several factors of tides. What are they? The distance among the heavenly bodies and the gravitational attraction. Now in this class we are going to study the types of the tides. Generally there are two main types present in your syllabus also. What is that? Number one, it is spring tide, and number two, it is neap tide. Now spring tide and high tide, both of them are same, and this neap tide and low tide, both of them are same. So first just look into the position. After that I'll explain it. See here, what is the position? Sun, moon and earth. These three heavenly bodies, they are in one single line, right? They all are in one single line. In neap tide, just look at the position. Here the moon, earth and sun, they are in the position of quadrature. That means they are in position of right angle. So this is the basic difference between spring tide and neap tide. In spring tide, all the three heavenly bodies will be one single line. And now what will happen? See, earth is there, moon and sun. So moon and sun, they all are in the same side of the earth, that is here. So from the sun as well as from the moon, the gravitational pulling will be occurred on this side of the earth. Okay, so due to this huge gravitational attraction, obviously the water will rise up and then it will create the spring tide. Generally, spring tide occurs in full moon and new moon time, and the height of the water is 20% more than the normal tide. So here the major factor is the gravitational attraction of sun and moon together. They combining together, they are forcing their gravitational attraction over this part of the earth. Over this part of the earth. That's what the water table will be rise up. Now in next one, the neap tide. Here the earth, sun and moon, all of them, they will be in a quadrature position or at a right angle position. So here the sun, it is also exerting its gravitational pull here on this side of the earth, and moon is also exerting its gravitational attraction from this side. So what will happen? The sun and moon, both of them are applying their gravitational attraction obviously on the earth, but from the different direction. One is from here, another one is from here. That's what the rise of the water table will not be so high. Obviously the water will be bulge out, but the amount will not be so high. Here the water table will be lower down 20% than the normal tide. So neap tide, basically the water table in neap tide will be lower down than the normal tide. Okay, so these are the two important types of the tides, and this neap tide, it occurs on that 8th day for every fortnight of moon. So from here the important days are very much important. And number two, the position. Okay, what is the position of spring tide? Three heavenly bodies will be in same line. And what is the position in neap tide? The heavenly bodies will be in a quadrature position. So I hope this is clear, and in next class we will discuss about the ocean currents and the several factors of ocean currents. Till then, thank you and take care.